my god, I don't know what I've done, but I can't undo it. I don't know where the Holy Bible is, so we're gonna use this. Hi everyone, I'm Olivia and welcome to this week's video. So, as you guys can tell by my voice, I'm like kind of sick right now. I was thinking of not doing a video, but then I was like, you know what? Always gotta upload. Never miss an upload. My goal is to like post every week unless, I don't know, someone dies or there's some sort of emergency that happens. Anyways, just gotta push through this. So anyways, today I'm going to be talking about Halloween costumes and stuff, which I'm super excited about. So excited to get into Halloween videos. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can use clothes that you already have to make a Halloween costume. And some of these might seem like really like obvious or like super like, I don't know, just like effortless, and that's kind of, you know, that's kind of the point. Like, I want to like show you guys that you don't have to put like a ton of like time and money into Halloween costumes, that you can just totally just use clothes that you already have. Yeah, like for me personally, like I just kind of feel like, you know, Halloween is like one day a year. Like, I don't want to go out and spend a ton of money on a Halloween costume that I'm gonna wear once, and then, you know, next year I'm gonna want to buy a different one because I wore the other one last year, you know. So I just started to like, excuse me, I just started to want to kind of like DIY my own costumes and use clothes that I already own so that you can have a costume for basically free. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Feel free to send me any photos if you guys end up wearing any of these costumes, and let's just get into it. So this first costume is divided into two parts. I first start off by making a sheriff pin, basically by using some cardboard, wrapping paper, scissors, permanent marker, a safety pin, and some duct tape. I started off by cutting my cardboard into a manageable piece, and then I just drew the shape of a David star onto the cardboard. Next, I cut it out, kind of like not exactly, just so that it was easier to cut it out more exact later on, which is what I am doing here. So yeah, I just cut that star right out of the cardboard, and then I took some wrapping paper and kind of roughly cut out how much I wanted, and then again I kind of cut like loosely around the star, making sure that there is enough to fold over onto the cardboard. Next, I cut up some duct tape into small little pieces, and then used those pieces to tape the wrapping paper onto the star. Next, I went in and wrote the word sheriff onto my star using a permanent marker, and then I took my safety pin and duct taped that onto the back of the star, and there you go, it is ready to be pinned onto your shirt. For the actual costume, you're going to need some boots, a flannel, preferably a red flannel, I just feel like that adds to the country look, and a cami, and of course some jeans, and a cowboy hat if you have it. Next, I took my hair out of my regular, whatever you call that, and then put it into a side ponytail, or any ponytail looks great. You can also wear your hair down, but I feel like ponytails are just extra country. And so then, of course, you're going to need to wear a belt and roll up those jeans to add to the country look. There are so many different ways that you can wear a flannel, and my personal favorite way is to have it loose and tie it at the bottom. So this costume is so great for cold climates because it's really easy to layer clothes, so I just wore lots of different clothing. I feel like it's really funny when you wear lots of different sports clothes because you look so touristy, and yeah, there are a lot of similarities between how I looked here and how I looked in India, so... So the bride costume is great if you're feeling like being a little more glamorous for Halloween. It's a great excuse to wear some makeup and some nice jewelry and a nice white dress. And I paired this with some sparkly shoes. And for my veil, I honestly just used a cape that I found in my childhood costume box, but you can totally use any sheer white fabric that's available to you. This is totally all about using what you have. If you have a Bible, you can do the whole, hand on the Bible thing. And honestly, if you don't have a white dress, you could totally just wear a fancy dress and pair it with a tiara and be like a prom queen. I just feel like there's so much that you can do with this outfit. So that is it for this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Again, feel free to show me any of the costumes that you made if you end up making these. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!